The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Me as a woman out here, so after 4 I go up to 5. In the rain, I work. In the rain, see it there? You think I lie, look at people. In the rain, look how my hand them dirty. Me not like some other boy, cause no man, no a man too. Uno a stringy, uno a common mango. What uno get no good, nice, clean, pretty, nice, clean youth them. And all a come out and no mouth. Nothing I go on for me not eat for 3-4 days. But yet still uno can go at every party. Even though a COVID time, uno can go everywhere. But for you no youth, I look at 3 grand or I look at 5 grand. Nothing I go on for you no. And things soon go on. You sit down at table, you wait for a career. You wait for a career to take off. We the woman for do what we can do. But I'm telling you something, boy. So man for that me I telling you so me there. Look, in a forest, me and God alone out here so. I could have do like enough young girl. They are bar sit down. They're somewhere sitting down and having a nice time. But because me is a single mother. And my kids them come look for me, you know, and me go look for them. So at the end of the day, me have to set it for them. Me have to try set it for them. I can't do like some girl. Get them pretty and let them go. I can't do that. It's my responsibility to make sure now so my sons and my daughter have a proper roof over them head. A food in the house, them clothes clean, and them get a good education. But yet still some man boy, all people can hear out and a big ganja mouth. Nothing go on, no be. Me no eat for 3 days, no be, and the things will take off. Just watch where I go on. Hey, man, tell some man something, you know. Some man for ride the hard way a court house, you know. Because it don't easy for we the woman. If you do 4, 5, 6 things, meanwhile, uno sit down and even uno not make money, uno not look after you, but yet still, uno can give another man pitney thing. I have to big up Ray Plumber, Ralston, big up yourself. Wayne in New York, large up yourself, and big up the whole of Baby real fans. Them not talk, they look of fear.
Baby, big up yourself, you see it? Yeah. Baby music, big up yourself. Viewers and subscribers, apart from the part what she say about dead and certain profanities, you see me? She have some strong points, you understand? Men should take care of their youth or youths. You see what I say to you? Yeah. Yeah, you know, as some look upon life, you know, parents have a role to take care of them youth or children or child or so on. You understand? Yeah. No one should leave a child or a children on one parent hand and say, oh, you take care of the youth and so forth. If you don't sure, you see me, because this mostly happen to men, you see me, so if a man don't sure say that the youth is his youth or the children or the child is not theirs, then them should do a DNA test and take care of your child or your children. You see me? Me don't support no one who don't take care of their children or their child. You see me? I say, yeah, so Baby, big up yourself. You see me? Yeah, Baby music, big up yourself. You see me? I say, alright, so viewers and subscribers, Seriousskilla here again. You know, in this video I'm presenting to you videos that are being talked about on social media. I just presented to you one video that shows a female talking about men who are not taking care of their child or children. That's what I said to you. And you know, this video has been talked about on social media. You know, this person is not the first me see this person in a video making some strong points on certain topics. That's what I say. Yeah, so with that, I'm going to move on to more videos, you know. So the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is out on social media where it is said that elderly persons are fighting, isn't it? Yeah, some places on social media it is said that old people are fight. You see me, are old persons a fight or elderly persons a fight. You understand? I hope you understand what I mean. You know, it's like the video is being talked about on social media and the video shows persons who are said to be elderly persons in somewhat of a physical altercation. You understand? So, I'm going to present the video to you. For some reason it's being talked about on social media and it's getting a buzz. So, I'm going to present it to you so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think. Alright? Now, as I am about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video, take a look, listen, and observe.
Easter! A brother Charles, brother in the pool. Come on.
No, sir. Them suck me. All people are fight. Me cockroach. Me cockroach. Me mama. Going disgrace you man a brownstone. Going disgrace you man a brownstone.
Hey, don't try to do my man.
Was he make anything wrong with the woman?
Okay.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, and I real though, you see, two things me say in this video when we really and truly want to point out, you see me? I mean, if two elderly persons are fighting, you see me, and if you're a young person, see what's going on, you know, I think that you, the younger person, can intervene and say, hey, what are you doing? You know, and try to calm them down, you see me? Because you don't know, we're talking about elderly persons, you understand? What if they get so angry to the point that somewhat of an illness affects them, you understand? Like blood pressure or so on, you see me? I say, yeah, that's one of the points I'm looking at, you see me? The next point that I'm looking at now, viewers and subscribers, is that as elderly persons, I don't think elderly persons should be fighting, you know, in such a way, you know, like hitting each other and all these things, you understand? I mean, they should be setting a better example, you see me? But this video is being talked about on social media, and you can let me know what you think. I'm just telling you what I think, but you can let me know what you think, alright? Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show a Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Ganggoolie, you see me? And in this video, Ganggoolie talk about Jesse Royal and ads, and him also mention footer hype name, you understand? So, you know, this video is somewhat being talked about on social media. So, may I present this video to you so that you can hear some of the things that Ganggoolie had said, and you can also let me know if you agree or if you disagree with some of the things that Ganggoolie had said. You see me? Yeah, in this video, Ganggoolie talk about Jesse Royal and some form of ads. Yes, I said to you, and he mentioned footer hype, and he talked about other things as well. Alright? Now, as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the languages used in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Bless up, give thanks to life. You know, Ganggoolie, the South Central President, I'm there with another reason. I got a reason about these Christmas ads here and Jesse Royal, because footer hype, I burn out Jesse Royal. Most people don't know. Jesse Royal is a cultural artist, Rasta artist, so do an advertisement for Dancehall, bigging up Christmas and Santa Claus. Saying, based upon history, if I was a real Rasta man, I would never do that ads. Based upon history. Saying, everybody have a right to decide their own destiny and what they want to do. Because you see this thing here called about eat a food, that's how I mash up certain thing, boy, and people are sell out themselves. Saying, Dancehall, you could do a lot of different ads to Dancehall. They have new apps, new phone, this, that. You could have done that. Nothing wrong with you doing ads, but based upon history as a Rastaman, real Rastaman now do that. The real Rastaman them out there, I burn it out, but probably them not forward publicly because you know them like social media and these stuff. Footer hype burn you out, I don't think footer hype bad mind you. You might correct you. Same like a Rasta burn out pastor, thieving, judge, this, that, red, yeah, same so Rasta make mistake, get burn out though. See? Real Rastaman, based upon Rastaman guidelines, certain things Rastaman do. Then, remember that, you know, no joking about it, you know. When footer hype have to understand, say, enough of these Rasta we cleansing on Rasta, you know. Sell out, you know, because enough of them are getting. So, them now hold them harder again, you know. Enough of these Rastas, you know. You have to understand, that be NSC them a drink no one and junk and chopper ground. See, me see enough of them a road, I go on them bag of foolishness. You get me at that about? But when footer hype say about Jesse, 100% right. 100% right. If you're a Rasta, you tread on and you carry on the liberty of Rasta and the teaching, you have to live up. know say yo, certain things you don't do. I bet they say Digicel could never go to Sizzler or Capleton and none of them fi do that ads. Fire burn. Not care much money I give them. They're not doing it. Zane, so as a Rasta, you have to know where you stand for. Cut out on the foolishness. I know say a Rasta fi lead the nation. And don't feel like say this pretty dressing and this shave up and this bag of thing I do. Feel like say, when I water down Rasta culture. Zane, a ramp on Rasta thing. You get me I talk about? And you don't know in a bad mind, nobody and no artist. Zane, but truth and right.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. Videos that are being talked about on social media. You don't know me, Dancehall Skill. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? So, Baby Lee, big up yourself. Ganggoolie, big up yourself. And for those elderly persons who said to us in somewhat of a physical altercation, yeah, you know, big up on yourself as well. And I hope that everything is okay with those elderly persons. Alright? Yeah, you know, big up on yourself. And here's where I'm gonna leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I mean, you're Dancehall Skilla, you know. You know, big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.